Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we welcome the report of Special Representative of the Secretary General on Children in Armed Conflict. Children are always one of the most affected group in any armed conflict. The conflict directly damages their physical, emotional, and psychological integrity. Their fundamental needs, including education and health service, water and sanitation, and food requirements, go unattended. More and more children are subjected to disease, social and sexual and economic exploitation, and torture and other abuse. The death of guardian in the conflicts leave them unprotected and thus increase their vulnerability. Mr. President, the ongoing conflict in Kashmir Valley has left over 90,000 children orphans. These and many other children have witnessed killing of their parents and other relatives or endured torture, both physical and psychological. Girl children are particularly victimized. They are permanently scared and fearful. I interviewed a little girl of 8 in clinic in Srinagar about her ordeal. Scared and harried, she reluctantly told how when she went to sleep one evening, the military crashed into her home and killed her father. Her story was so painful, Mr. President. Only 2 days ago, a 13-year-old girl of Tawakster was killed and 3 other children wounded in Poonch district due to the security forces. Mr. President, children in Jammu Kashmir look toward this organization to provide them support and protection. It must not disappoint them. The Council and the Office of High Commissioner must create some mechanism to monitor the human rights situation in Jammu Kashmir. Thank you, Mr. President.